Hi my Beautets, welcome back to my channel. This time around I'm jumping right in. I'm using this Carly Bybel palette, and we're just going to be using these nice soft colors. We are in the holiday, so this is actually going to be a get ready with me. I'm going to have I'm actually attending the holiday party for my job, and this will be like a real quick simple glam because I don't really have time, but I still wanted to record a get ready with me. I think it's been quite a minute since I did a get ready with me. If you do like get ready with me, or you want to see how do I get ready from head to toe and I should show outfits and all, please comment down below. Turn your bell notifications on so you can know when I come out with the videos, and you can be able to comment any suggestions or anything that you guys like. I can get back to you. So yeah, we're just hopping right in with this Carly Bybel. Now I'm using a lot of naturals and like this natural brown right on my crease, and I felt like that just gives like a nice natural vibe, and it's also matte, so you know it soaks up any lines or anything like that. Ooh, dabbing on them, dabbing on them. I'm always listening to music while I film, so sorry if you see any of some dancing moves here. I'm just dancing to the music that I have. In this Carly Bybel palette, there's not really names for these shadows, so I'm just showing you guys all the shadows that I use to put on my crease and in my crease, because usually I'm able to say the name, but this time they don't really have. Now I'm going in with this concealer. I love this concealer, and we're going to be cutting the crease. By the way, the concealer is by Joa Cosmetics. It's for dark circles, but it's a real good full coverage concealer. And when I say full coverage, I mean like full coverage. It gives like a nice light blend to it, and it highlights under your eye, under wherever you need it, and it works perfectly. So I'm just using this because I want to create a little natural cut crease, nothing too crazy. This is just going according to my eye. Once again, I just want to do a quick simple get ready with me, but also some type of holiday vibes, you know. And now I'm just packing on this nice lid. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love this color. Like Carly Bybel, this was the second palette that I have of hers. Once I had the first one, I knew I had to get this one. Like her highlights, amazing. Her bronzer in the palette, amazing. All the matte and shimmer in this palette, amazing. So yeah, that's what we use for this video. And now I'm just trying to get this wing liner done. Excuse me. Yeah, I'm just going to use this gel liner real quick just so I can maybe shape the eye and then go in with the liquid eyeliner, because that's the way I like to do it. I like to have it like very black, and I just feel like it just sets everything better. That's how I like it. You know, everyone has their way of doing different eyeliners and wing liners. This is just how I do it. You don't have to do everything I do. I'm just showing you guys what I prefer to do and how I do it for my shape, for my face shape, you know, because everyone has different face shapes, and mine is like the general one, it's like the oval one, it's like the moon one, you know what I mean? And if I get fat, bitch, like gotta get papa, all that shit. So you know, sis has to freaking beat down that face, get them cheeks slim, get that forehead hiding, sis. You know, had to catfish these bitches. Nah, I'm just joking, but I love this package. Thank you, Pixie, so much. Pixie has sent me this, and I got to say this brand has been so amazing with me, and I absolutely love them because everything about them is like a natural glow to your face, and it really helps you and takes care of your skin. I have been using it, and everyone always congratulates me on my skin. They say that I always have like perfect skin, or I have like nice skin, but you know, sometimes I do get a little bit texture on it, so it's very good that I exfoliate, that I tone, you know, that I moisturize. And so the same thing for you, Beautets. You know, skincare is very important, but for any type of material, makeup, anything on our face, you know, especially with all the makeup that some of them carry, chemical or not, you know, I try to use a lot of cruelty free or vegan. There's a lot of vegan foundations, a lot of vegan moisturizers. There's a lot of things out there. So you just got to search. You just got to look, whether you go to stores or online. And right now I'm just like setting in all my contouring. Okay, now I'm going to set my under eye with this, this Maybelline setting powder, and then the Morphe Beauty Blender contouring. But I'm going to set it with the Maybelline setting powder, and we're basically done, guys. I'm just doing in my inner corner, then I'm gonna put on my lipstick, just basically the last minute touch-ups and getting ready for this look. I'm sorry that my camera died, so I didn't get to film how it came out, but more or less you can see here as I apply my red matte lipstick. I absolutely love Pixi. They have been so good to me. Shout out to Pixi. You are the bomb.com. And if you're thinking about getting anything from them, you should, because they are naturally beautiful. Everything is just beautifully in. Their matte lips are not harsh or anything like that. So thank you so much for all who have joined this video, watching it, liking it, commenting. I appreciate all you Beautets do for me, and I will see you on next tutorial. I love you, Beautets. Bye.